Now we'll see the third method of end group analysis. We have seen two methods in the previous videos. Now this is the Sanger's method, how to determine the end terminal group of a peptide chain, right? So in this method we use the 2,4-dinitrofluorobenzene, which is also known as Sanger's reagent, and this is the structure of Sanger's reagent. 2,4-dinitrofluorobenzene, right? So when this is added to the peptide chain, it attaches to the amine group, which is the N terminal, and HF is removed, and this structure is formed, right? And after hydrolysis, the N terminal amine group gets attached to the Sanger's reagent, and it forms a colored structure, that is a yellowed colored solution, and the rest of the amino acids are detached. Okay, like there were two amino acids in the peptide apart from the N terminal, so they are detached. Okay, so we can determine the N terminal amino acid because it remained attached to the Sanger's reagent and gives a specific color. Okay, so based on this, in GATE 2009 there was a question that in the two-step reaction sequence, the major product Y is, so this was the reaction sequence in which this is the peptide, right? And they had added this is the Sanger's reagent, 2,4-dinitrofluorobenzene. It is added to this, so we'll get X product, and then when it is hydrolyzed we get Y product. So what will be the X product? The Sanger reagent attaches to the N-terminal amino acid and HF is removed, so this is the structure of X, right? And then in the second step, when hydrolysis is performed on this, the N-terminal amino acid gets detached from the other peptide chain, and the other amino acid also we get as a byproduct. So the main product will be this. The Sanger's reagent is attached to the N-terminal amino acid, and HF is removed in between. It was already removed in the previous step. So this is the final product, the Sanger's reagent attached to the N-terminal amino acid, right? And this is alanine amino acid attached to Sanger's reagent. Another question came in GATE 2015. The tetrapeptide alanine, valine, phenylalanine, methionine on reaction with Sanger's reagent followed by hydrolysis gives the product. So we have to find the product. So Sanger's reagent attaches to the N-terminal amino acid. So N-terminal amino acid is alanine. Okay, so Sanger's reagent is this 2,4-dinitrofluorobenzene. So fluorine and hydrogen from amine group is removed, HF is removed, and we get a bond like this. And this is the alanine amino acid because the R group is methyl attached to the alpha carbonyl, and this is amine, this is carboxylic. So this is alanine, the N-terminal amino acid of the peptide, of the tetrapeptide. This is the final product. In this way we can find out what is the N-terminal amino acid, and vice versa. If N-terminal amino acid is given, then the reaction of Sanger's reagent with it, what will it give the product. So in this way the questions come.